Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to EVS class, all the children. How are you all? I know you all are very fine children. So, previous I taught a lesson, means Monday. Monday I taught a lesson. Do you know children, what is a lesson name? Can you say anyone? Yeah. What is a lesson name? Yeah, very good, Rizwan. Growing plants. So, the lesson name is growing plants. So, already I taught in this lesson reproduction. What is reproduction? And reproduction in plants. And already I taught a structure of seed. I explained. And the conditions and germination of a seed also I explained. Okay. And today I taught conditions necessary for germination. So that is also I explained, children. So today I am going to teach dispersal of seeds. Today, which topic I am now here I am explaining? Dispersal of seeds. Okay. Before all the children, you must on your videos. Revali Sanjay, Karthik, Vignesh, Sharan, all are on your videos. So topic is dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds. What is the topic name, children? Dispersal of seeds. Already I taught what happens if all seeds produced by a plant fall below the parent plant. What happens? For example, here I am telling dispersal of seeds. You take any one plant here. For example, now here I am taking one cotton plant. So this is a cotton plant. Just here I am telling example, children. Don't search your book. Okay. So this is a cotton plant. So sometimes it's okay. This cotton. So now here I am asking question. What happens if all seeds produced by a plant fall below the parent plant? What happens? Say anyone. Seeds cannot grow well because of, see children, if here from this two seeds have falls down, so seeds, all the seeds cannot grow. Am I correct, children? All the seeds cannot grow. Why? What is the reason? Why all the seeds cannot grow? Already taught. So from the seeds to reproduction through seed, from seeds I said. But why all the seeds cannot grow? When falls down seeds, when falls down from other plant, why these some other plants, some other seeds cannot grow? Cannot produce new plant. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Because they do not get enough space. Because they do not get enough space. Because of, for example, when it falls down under the plant, what happened? Yeah, very good. Water and sunlight, this one. So it's not get a water and sunlight. Sunlight is very, very important. So when you have sunlight, so leaves are there here, no? So this is a plant already. It's a total have a shadow, plant shadow. So that is why cannot grow. Some of the seeds can die. And because they do not get enough space, water, sunlight and soil to grow at one place. So that is why many of the seeds die. That is why many of the seeds die. Did you understand, children, what I am telling here? Okay? Did you understand, all the children, which topic here I am explaining? Dispersal of seeds. First I asked one question. What happens if all seeds produced by a plant fall below the parent plant? Because of the plant, some of the seeds cannot grow well. Because of they not get enough space, water, sunlight, and soil to grow at one place. So that is why many of the seeds die. That is why many of the seeds die. We know that plants cannot move on their own. Do you know, children, that? We know very well. I know very well. I think some of the children not listening. First listen carefully, Nana, Sana. We know that plants cannot move on their own. How they are moving from its air? Some methods by which the seeds of plants get scattered. Scattered. So when air comes fastly, so some of the seeds scattered. Okay. See, these methods by which seeds of plants get scattered. The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called a dispersal. What is dispersal? Scattering away from the mother plant. It's far away from the mother plant. Okay? The scattering of, here I am writing dispersal. What is dispersal? Okay, listen carefully, children. Okay, what is dispersal? The scattering of the scattering of seeds. The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. Seeds away from the mother plant. Is called dispersal. What is dispersal here? Scattering. Do you know what is the meaning of scattering? In our mother tongue, Veda Chalana. Scattering away from the mother plant. Seeds. The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Did you understand, all the children? Did you understand, all the children? Still, if you have any doubts, here what I explained. First, what happens? For example, this is a mother plant. For example, here only falls the seeds. So some of the seeds cannot grow because of no sunlight, no water, and soil also not prepared. So to grow, it's not grow at one place. Many of seeds. That is why many of seeds die. So that is only here I taught. So that is, see, children, you know very well that what plants cannot move their own. Okay, and arrange some methods by which the seeds of plants get scattered. So that is the scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. That is called dispersal. How to move that seeds? Can you say anyone? Seeds are dispersed by wind. Seeds are dispersed by wind and water. Okay, wind and water, and next birds, insects. Okay, not BUDS, this one, birds. BIRDS, birds. That birds means BUDS, birds means so this one. So differences. You see the difference, buds. These are the buds. BUDS, buds. And these are the birds. How to disperse? Did you understand? How to dispersal here I am telling. How to dispersal seeds here I am telling. Okay. So seeds are dispersed by wind, water, birds, insects, and animals. Animals. And animals. Okay. So these are called agents of dispersal. These are called agents of dispersal. What is agents of dispersal? First here I explain dispersal. Dispersal means the scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. So this is a mother plant. Away from the mother plant, it go to the next place. How they can go? How they can move? Seeds, how they can move? So by wind. How to disperse? By wind, water, birds, insects, and animals. These are called. So these are called agents of dispersal. Agents of dispersal. Did you understand, children? How to move seeds now I explained. Did you understand, children? Dispersal means scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. Okay, away from the. Did you understand, Mailara and Rishika? What I am telling here? What is dispersal? What is our topic first here? Dispersal of seeds. What is a dispersal? The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. How to move from the away from the mother plant? How to move away from the mother plant? See, by wind. It helps the wind and water, birds, insects, and animals. So these all are helps the seeds. So that is why we are called agents of dispersal. What is that? Agents of dispersal. Seeds are dispersed by. Seeds are dispersed by. Here I am writing. Seeds are dispersed by. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, birds, insects, and animals are called agents of dispersal. Did you understand, children, all? Still, if you have any doubts, dispersal of seeds? No doubts. Okay, very good. So, still, if you have any doubts on this topic, please raise your hand. On your mobile. No, teacher. Okay, very good. Okay, I hope you understood very well this topic. So just today what I am explained, how to dispersal of seeds I explained. How to dispersal. Dispersal means it's from the air to. Seeds are dispersed by wind, means air, water, birds, insects. How to birds? So some of the birds are eat fruits. Am I correct, children? For example, you take guava. Okay? So parrot eat guava. So when it eat guava, so in that middle have a seeds. So it's take away from the mother plant. So what happened? Immediately when parrot eats guava, immediately some of the seeds are passed down. Am I correct, children? So that is why here I am telling agents of dispersal, birds also, and some of the animals. Animals also eat. For example, animals eat. Yeah, very good. Monkey eat banana. Yeah, very good. Nirma. Okay, like that. So that is dispersed by. That is why I told here. That is dispersed by wind, water, birds, insects, animals also. So that is the agents of, for example, children. For example, human beings are there. We are human beings. So your mother prepare your eat curry, any curry. So in that bitter gourd seeds you did not eat. So that is why your mother not cook that one. Your mother outside, she throw outside. Am I correct? So what happened immediately when she throws outside? Immediately some of the from the seeds too, if sunlight, air, all it's comfortable that seed. Immediately that new plant grows the new plant. Am I correct, children? Did you understand what I'm telling? So that is why here I said dispersal of seeds. So like we are also agents. Okay, so what is our agents of dispersal? Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, birds, insects and animals. These all are called agents of dispersal. Okay, got it, children? What I taught just now? What is dispersal and what is agents of dispersal I explained. Okay? Donda Srishant and Dopati Hrithvik Reddy. Did you understand? Hrithvik Reddy. Yeah, very good. Okay, next topic. Wind. What is the next topic? Wind. Now here I taught agents of dispersal I explained. So first agent was wind. Now how to move seeds from the wind? Now I explain that. So wind. Wind. Some seeds like. Now here I taught one example. So that is dandelion. Dandelion. So now here I took one example. That is dandelion. So for example, see silky cotton seed. Now here I am drawing silky cotton. So this is a seed. You know very well. Sometimes it's fly in the air. Can you see this type of any seed? So it is totally silky, like a silky thread. Like a silky thread. Yeah, you see, very good this one. So some seeds like the dandelion. So that is a silky cotton seed. Silk cotton seed. That is dandelion only. Silky. Silk cotton seeds. Dandelion only, that is and silk, dandelion and silk cotton seeds. Okay, are very light. This is very light, lightweight. It is not a Akshita. Who is Akshita? Who is Akshita, Amma? Akshita name వచ్చింది. Bhairaben Akshitana నాకు Boddupalli Akshitana. On your video, Amma. Akshita. Bhairaben Akshita or Boddupalli Akshita on your video. Now your in charge teacher will take attendance. Akshita, you must on your video. Now teacher will take attendance. Who is Akshita? Bhairaben or Boddupalli? I did not see your face. Did you understand, Akshita, what I am telling you? On your video, in charge teachers will take attendance. All the children, you must on your videos. Rajshekhar Reddy, Sanjay and Akshita. Akshita, first you on your video, ma. Okay. So you are not on. So, yeah, Akshita, but he is Kalluri Abhiram. Okay. So write your name, Kalluri Abhiram. Don't write your sister name. How to take attendance? Okay. So some seeds like the dandelion and silk cotton seeds. Silk cotton seeds are very light because it's a fly in the air. But because it's very light, you know very well that they have tufts of hair or wings on them. So this is like a hair, tufts like a hair. So these seeds are blown away by the wind. Okay, which type of seeds here I am explaining? Dandelion seeds. Dandelion seeds. Again, the sycamore trees. Sycamore, another one example. Sycamore tree has winged fruits. Okay, the wind carries it to far off places. The wind, you know very well, when it's very wind, what happened immediately carries it to far off places. Okay, see, cotton seed also have a fluff around them which helps them fly in the air. Which helps them fly in the air. So now here I explained wind. So I taught two examples. One is a dandelion and another one is a sycamore. Okay, children, did you understand all the children? Next one is water. Now here I taught agents of dispersal. I explained here. Agent of dispersal. Seeds are dispersed by wind. Wind already completed. Now here I am explaining water. Water. Now here what I am explaining? Water. Seeds dispersed by water generally spongy and hence float easily, like those of, for example, here water I taught lotus. Lotus and water lily. Lotus and water lily. Some seeds dispersed by water are generally spongy, by hence float easily, like those, for example, lotus and water lily. Lotus and water lily. These two are the examples. Some fruits like the coconut. Coconut have air trapped between the fibers. Water carries them to far off places where the seed grows into a plant under favorable conditions. So where is that? And coconut also like a fiber. So when you throw the water, the coconut, immediately that sent far away. So if favorable conditions are there, immediately the coconut tree has grown. Okay, did you understand, children? So this is about the water. Now here I am telling agents. First one is already completed, wind, and second one is water. Okay, children. And next one is birds and animals. Now here I am teaching birds and animals. You know very well. Birds eat the fleshy part of the fruit. I taught one example. Parrot eats guava. I taught that. Parrot eats guava and monkey. So birds eat the fleshy part of the fruit and expose or excrete the seeds. Excrete the seeds. Many seeds like those of goosegrass have hooks and spines. Here I am telling some other birds' name. Shall I have this? Okay, children. So now here I am telling hooks and spines. What are the other examples of birds and animals? Birds and animals have examples hooks and or spines on them. And next they get attached to the bodies of birds and animals passing by and carried from the one place to another. Carried from one place to another. Did you understand, children? Animals that eat fruits. You know very well. Animals eat fruits. So, if for example, attach some other, when it's if any animal take attached the skin, some other seeds are attached to the skin and send them, when it is go another place again. So what happen immediately? Remove the seeds there. So again next place, far off places. Okay, now here are what I taught, what is dispersal and what are agents of dispersal I explained, and what are the agents here I explained, wind, water and birds and animals also I taught. Did you understand today's topic? Still if you have any doubts, please raise your hand on your mobile, children. Today's topic. What is the lesson name? Growing plants. So today I taught a dispersal of seeds I explained you. Okay, dispersal of seeds I taught. And tomorrow I will continue this lesson. Tomorrow's topic is explosion. Tomorrow I taught explosion. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope you all are understood very well. And still if you have any doubts also, you call me, I will tell. Okay. Yeah, very good.